My name is Alex Benavides. Here the painter in Hacienda Collision Center in McAllen, Texas. And today we're gonna go over color matching on how we get our colors close to what's on the vehicle. I'm gonna go look at a car with this automatic vision camera. I'm gonna take pictures of the color of the vehicle and put it into our system to try to see what it gets me close to what I need for the vehicle. As you can see now, I uploaded the pictures into the system. Now it gave me more or less of a color. Now we're checking the color to see how close it is to the vehicle. So now it's ready for me just to shoot the clear and we're done with it. Now after shooting the base, cleaning the gun, now we're in the process of making the clear in the system to transfer it to the scale to make it, to shoot it to the vehicle. Oh, and by the way, that was clear the first one, this is hardener. Without this one, your clear will not dry. After clear coat is dry, now you can see the blend of the color, the way it looks, that it disappears with the panels. So now it's just ready to take the paper off, tape, and intend it to reassemble, and then to wash to deliver it. Now that's one way how we match colors here at Hacienda Collision Center.